So I'm out at my buddy's ranch and I feel like flying my Mario 8. Do some long distance flying or some mountain cruising or something. I don't know. Let's go fly it and have some fun.
Welcome to HTX. Throttle warning. Switch warning.
Air mode.
Alright, I'm gonna stand here in the shade so I don't cook. Ooh, that wind. Damn. Oh yeah, I can feel that wind. Ooh, I can see some shakes. Things seem to be flying pretty smooth though. I've been working with ChatGPT. It'd be fun to ride my four-wheeler up these roads, but I'm not sure if it's my friend's property or not. Who's texting me? That's funny, I just started hearing the drone. Back to home. I still get a little nervous, a little shaky flying. I try to stay calm. It says I'm going 65 miles an hour. Jesus. I love this battery on this drone because it feels like it lasts forever. I think I'm still at 4.4 volts per cell. Why is my DJI giving me? That was weird. It really does sound like a, I don't know, a fighter jet or a military something. Sometimes I get anxiety of like having to stop, you know, when you're going 60 miles an hour, how do you hit the brakes? I mean, yeah, the drone's flying super good, super stable, has a ton of authority. Feels like those 8-inch props are just like totally powerful for this drone, for this build, but I have no GoPro on it or anything. A lot of people are throwing their GoPros on this. I seem to think the DJI 04 is, I don't know, just as good, close enough. There's a bird. All right. I think I'm gonna land. That mountain was a lot closer than I thought it was. And it's not really like as steep and rugged as I thought it was. I thought it'd be fun to sort of ski down the mountain, but there wasn't much to look at or track or bob or weave. I think maybe I'll just come in for this landing. Fun little 5-minute flight. I feel like the battery's not even used. Mario 8 is a ripper. Hell yeah. That's basically it. This is the Speedybee Mario 8. Let me know what you think, if it was fun to watch. You!